Those are same points only, but I am starting with just from SLA. Okay, up to here we discuss. So what is SLA? Service level agreement. Very simple to say. You purchase a washing machine or a refrigerator or mobile phone. Take mobile phone. See the warranty notice, right? 1 year mobile warranty on 6 months accessories like a charger. Now charger is also removed, right? So no need to provide 6 months charger warranty. Mobile phone 1 year warranty. And something has happened to your mobile. You take it to the service center. What they said, this is not covers under our warranty because see the warranty, okay, conditions like liquid spill is there, or maybe you throw a mobile in water, or maybe there is internal motherboard damage because you throw a mobile at someone and motherboard damage is hacker. Display got a crack. So obviously no warranty covers, right? Something suddenly stop working, we don't know what happened. Nothing you done, nothing it is no heat, nothing is happened. So it is comes under warranty. The software problem comes under warranty. Free warranty, paid services and free services. So like that. SLA service level agreement, it is signed between customer or a client and the service provider. Service provider will tell these are the services we are providing and these are the terms and conditions of the services. For example, you have taken a 50 Mbps internet speed, and if you see the broadband connections up to 50 Mbps, not 50 Mbps, up to 50 Mbps. Like you go to shopping mall, up to 25% discount, up to 75% discount, up to 90% discount. But we didn't see up to point, right? So it meaning is you get a 50 out of 50 Mbps internet, maybe 40 Mbps, maybe 30 Mbps, maybe 1 Mbps, maybe 0.001 Mbps. Point is up to anything from 0 to 50 Mbps you will get it. Okay. So that is my logic. Okay. So see if you complain why I'm getting a very slow internet, I'm getting only 10 Mbps. I've taken 50 Mbps. Sir, see read up to 50 Mbps. It's not flat 50 Mbps, right? It's not a flat 50% discount. It is up to 50% discount. Same way it is here. Okay. So service level agreement, what are the service provider providing the service to the customer? So what are their terms and conditions of the service? What is the service they are providing, we are getting? So that is comes under a document, that is put it in a document that is called a SLA. Service provider always keep the SLA alive, means keep on providing the agreed services to the customer. Keep on providing the services to the customer as a agreed level. Okay, that is a SLA. Guys, understand SLA?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. OLA, operational level agreement. This is not between service provider and a customer, but it is signed between business unit or a division and internal IT of same organization. For example, there is a client, the client required some application, so business unit went there, so they taken a requirements from the client, that is called requirement gathering. So business unit went there and find out what is customer requirement, application, their details, everything, and came back and dealing with the internal IT people, right? Internal IT of same organization. So this is the customer requirement. These applications you have to build, develop, design. Sorry, you have to design these applications. Okay. Then we have to develop the application. We have to test the application, deploy the application by this particular time. The IT team will agree, like so they will send their requirements, their IT requirements or their propositions also, right? So this will take 6 months of time. So we need a, for this project we require a 50 members, okay, working in the shift manner. These are the resources requirement to do this particular project. Same way, it is a different business units, like sorry, different IT employees groups are there, like based on your organization, and business units will bring the different type of businesses and give it to the IT teams, right? And they will agree. So business unit agree to provide a service to the customers, and the IT employees also fulfill that one. Okay, so it is signed between business unit or a division and a internal IT of same organization, means it is internal contract only. It's not involving with the any customer kind of stuff here. Both are same organization. Okay. For example, my organization taken a service support for a SAP applications, and AWS direct support is there, and other services also there. For example, Azure support they want to provide. Some client organization came up to our business unit, Savantis business unit. They want a Azure support people requirement. So then they will ask like the technical management. Okay, so internal people. So anybody having an idea about Azure, supporting experience in the Azure migrations. Okay, so they will gather those people. So they'll tell this is the support required for this particular client. So this is the business. They will agree. That is a OLA, operational level agreement. Next one is UC. Okay, UC stands for a underpinning contract. So this is between vendors and service providers. Vendors and service providers. Vendors, suppliers are pre-requirements peoples are there, no? So there are signed between service provider and a vendor. So what is their requirement? System requirement. Like a Savant is required a internet service from internet service provider. Okay, not a as a that is the relation is vendor's relationship, like that. Okay, in IT services, 4 levels of support is there. Just understand SLA, OLA, and UC.
Yes, sir.
How much we do, it is not adjusting according to us. Take it as a 12 only, but I will bring it down. Okay, so here it is in IT support levels, self-help or a user retrieving information. So L1 is basically basic help desk resolution, service desk deliveries. It means any user is contact your service desk L1, or we can also call that one as a help desk. And I will send some PPTs to you that is prepared by Sai sir. Okay, compulsory go through all the PPTs, which is I am going to send that one. So once go through each and every slide, read at least once. Okay, what you understand based on that you can read again once again. Okay, so basic help desk solutions and Also service desk deliveries in customer related. Okay. In-depth technical support, expert product and service support. Okay. Uh, Outside support for a problem not supported by organization. Sometimes people required like their in their organization they need some work to complete. Okay, so what they will do, they will ask some outside supporters, that is L4 supporters. That L4 L5 supporters are is an organizational level, some are not a organizational, individual people also there to support. So here it is T0, T1, T2 or a L0, L1, L2. So different naming is there, depends upon organization. But important is L2 guys, L2 people compulsory have a in-depth technical knowledge, what project they are doing, what support there are, what technology support they are giving, in-depth technical knowledge is required. L1 is the basic technology terminologies they should understand in a L1, and of course the requirements from the service desk deliveries, issue resolving also is required in a basic level of service desk. Okay. Next, what is a service desk analysis do? Okay. So service desk analysis or a service desk person or a person who is working in a service desk is a service desk analyst. Provide technical support to customers and employees, and some companies you handle technology duties such as a software installation, troubleshooting, maintaining computer health. In such an organization, general point. You respond to the phone, emails, charts, and other communications wise. Okay, so customers approach you for a requirement and or some service requirement or with certain issues. So you are provided technical support to your customers and as well as your internal employees organizations. Okay. Again, this is a definition I have taken from different place, that is about a service desk. Okay. Here it is. Service desk is a first and single point of contact. So for any issue is occur, any change is required, anything like any service requirement is there. So that is a first and a single point of contact. It plays vital role in the customer satisfaction. Coordinates. Okay, it coordinates activity between end user means customer and IT services service provider team. It also won't log the request, ensure closures of their request. Same definitions only. So we are managing tickets. What is the request in it and what is the closure information? There is a 4 type of service desks. There are telling like this: central service desk, local or distributed service desk, so virtual service desk, and specialized service desk. Okay. And of course, this is a few lines, guys. It is from my site only. This is I have created this site Latif Tech Notes. This is telling about a service desk, top 25 questions. Okay, about self desk and help desk. Go through those questions. It may useful for any type of help desk, service desk kind of stuff. And I'm telling guys, do not think IT development is the only job, or a cloud support or a cloud kind of stuff is the only job. Service desk is also very important for an organization. It is never a low level. Some people for motivation and demotivation people. So why we are going for service desk? You join in this course, better pay 1 lakh rupees, then forget about it. Okay. Okay. So why, guys, any opportunity you got it, get inside a IT company, take it. I'm not talking about only services. Any opportunities. Don't go as a trainer. So I am promising that is worst. Okay. Okay. So corporate trainers are okay. Now corporate level, like I'm working in an organization now. You go to institute, that is the end of the day. Okay. So point is any IT related IT organization, the work is either it can be a service desk or maybe you are become a cloud expert or a cloud engineer or a software engineer, server engineer, network engineer, whatever it is a IT. Okay.
Sir,
Once you got a entrance, get inside, whatever it is. Yeah, tell me.
sir, after server desk analyst,
Hmm.
we can we can get experience of 1 to 2 year. After that, we can switch to DevOps engineer. Can we?
Yeah, the DevOps engineer, we can do it. Most of my
Okay, okay.
students become a cloud experts, but DevOps are
Sir,
not.
I have also done AWS, but
Yeah,
basics.
AWS is cloud.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you
So,
learn
sir, I
that.
can, sir,
I got the point. If you improve
sir, can you
knowledge,
please?
also you can go through that AWS cloud also, maybe in future. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In a starting point, so we don't know what project they will give it to us, but you are
Yes,
good with AWS. So
yes,
you can
yes.
also you can tell in your technical interview, I'm good with AWS. I learn these technologies also. Okay, so you can
Okay,
tell
sir.
them or you
After
can
that, they can
mention your
provide us
resume.
the
No
project
problem.
of AWS or any cloud.
You tell me.
Sir, after that, they will. If we tell them we have done AWS, they
Okay,
will
I'm not giving any
automatically.
guarantee for that one. I understand. Okay,
Okay,
I'm not giving any guarantee. You can mention your resume. No problem in it.
okay,
Okay, you we have whatever the technology we need, so we can mention in that one. But if you mention a resume, definitely interview question. Definitely have to
yes.
take an answer. Last time I interview, not your fresher people. There's some college students for recruitment for next year type of campus drive. They told they done a AWS certificate. Ask simple questions. They're unable to tell an answer. Anyone is they. I didn't only accept 1 2 people. Maximum people not given proper answer. Okay. So
Yes,
practice,
yes.
that is important. Okay. I ask what is Route 53. They said that is there is no service called a Route 53 in the AWS.
Route 56 is
Big
there.
Route 53 is there. It's a
Yes,
DNS
yes.
service. Even we
Yes, sir.
don't know
DNS.
what it is, but don't say like we are certified means
The
you
Route
written it.
56, Route 50 domain, subdomains, there are the things like that.
Route 53 is
The
a
domains and subdomains.
a kind of DNS service, naming
Yes,
service.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So ask what is Route 53. Some people we have done a EC2 instances,
Elastic compute.
Elastic Cloud Compute
Elastic cloud compute. Yes, sir. Instances.
instances. It is nothing but
Yes.
you are creating a virtual machine.
Virtual machine.
Okay. But I ask
Yes.
about EC2. They are talking in a S3.
S3 is a bucket, sir. Simple
S3 again
storage services.
storage. Yeah,
Yes,
object
sir.
level storage. It is storage. EC2 is a virtual machine. I'm
Yes,
asking,
yes,
you
yes.
said EC2 instances. Tell me about EC2 instant or how to do it. They're talking in a S3. I don't understand
S3
what
is
people
a
are
bucket storage
learn.
service.
What? Very good.
Yeah.
EBS,
EBS Elastic. Uh, EBS.
SNS.
SNS simple notification services.
Very good.
Sir, we can do this from Lambda services. SNS.
What is Lambda?
Target. Yes, yes. Lambda.
What is Lambda?
Well, we can trigger to create a सर सर create करते हैं कोई work कराने के
Right,
लिए
right,
trigger.
I got it.
Yes sir, trigger कराते हैं.
Always try to tell an answer in English only. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry sir.
No problem. Okay, yeah, you know items, right? So that is the point. Okay, so whatever we guys, whatever some people are having some additional knowledge, some people are AWS, Python, or a thing. You can mention in your resume, but make sure at least you have to tell an answer for basic things. But I'm not giving
Yes.
guarantee they will give a project on it, but it is useful once you are keep going on it. Okay, guys, everything is a service desk only. Only thing is that technology changes. Okay, so 10 years, 20 years experience candidate also will get a report of issue from service desk only. I'm a software developer. I develop my full software, complete, deployed. Okay, now customer has got an error. So he will inform to the developer only through the service desk tools. This is the issue is occur. Go through the Jira demo. Jira demo is good. Go to Jira
Yes,
demo,
yes.
services demo. Okay, service now demo, service now demo, or a Jira demo.
Jira, sir.
You'll find what are the lot of things nowadays we are using. All of this one. Lot of people, even I explain people also, well-known people also say service desk is, yeah, it's not software development. But how many people are safe in software development also, I don't know. But I'm not attacking anyone. Point is, you got a entries, go inside. Okay, if you're late, you want to fall for a fake certificates. I will put a 2 years of experience. I will go to this level. Now the 1 lakh rupees per a month I will get a salary. 10 lakhs rupees
Yes.
salary I will get it. Guys, once it is done any biscuit, it is become full. Okay, you once you face a problem, it is big problem. No problem means no problem. Then generally, okay. So instead of that one, you enter dollar. You have enough of age. You're not in 30s now. You're not in 40s. You're not in 50s, right? You have enough of age. Go inside. Start learning. Keep learning. Improve yourself. Improve your tech backend technologies. Definitely, you're shifting projects. You go to the next step. I've seen people from within a 2 to 3 years, the Cognizant train. Actually, I give a training for Cognizant earlier from 2018 to till now. I'm giving Cognizant training. People have now from 18 and 19 batches. There are senior cloud experts now. Okay, we train in a different technologies, not only this part, but initially their profile is also a kind of service desk profile only. Okay, L1, L2 level of L1 level of service desk profile in initially. Now there are senior cloud experts.
Sir, in 2 to 3 years.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
18 means now almost more than 3 years, right? 18, 19 people,
Yes, yes.
2 to 3 years. That is cognizant. But of course, whatever it is, guys, it is self-capability. Some are still doing a same job, same salary for 3 years, 4 years also. But some are good. Only thing is your communication, your technology.
Yes.
That's the only
So
thing.
we have to do that also. We
Yes,
have to
that is
do that
two
only.
things. Technology and communication both.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. These two links help you to understand, guys. Different service desk related questions are there. 25 questions are there, and these two links will tell. This link is different service desk levels also. Someone put a message. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Today's for last one. This is last one. Tomorrow I will explain each and every point from here. Okay, these are the different service desk definitions are there. Okay, normally I will complete in a one single day only, but today, yeah, of course, morning first initially delay, and second one is this is a plain subject. Okay, everything you have to think and remember kind of stuff. Okay, but each and every point is very important while you are working. Okay, any interview, it is a very useful. Not only interview, guys. Point is we are talking in an interview manner. That's why people think is it a question comes in interview or not. Today entirely all are interview questions only, and while you are working, each and every terminology is very important. Okay. So this is event, alert, incident, workaround, problem, changes, and service request. Any detectable occurrence that has a significant for a IT infrastructure management. Any detectable occurrence. It means, for example, you went to a shop and you open your phone pay, Paytm, and you scan and you give an enter amount, pay. What you will get? Transaction successful. That is also event. Transaction success. Transaction failure. That is also an event. Pending. Pending. Okay. Or maybe some approval pending. Sometimes you will get a approval, right? So approval pending. Bank transaction pending. Okay. So event, either it is a successful, failure, okay, or just a warning. For example, I have a hard disk. Yeah, someone is different future. I can't give you promise anything. Okay, because I'm not a salesperson. Okay, I don't give promises to keep you here. But point is, once you join an organization, work for a 2 to 3 years, you will know what is your job role, technologies, and position, and acquire some one step at least. You join as a fresher trainee service desk analyst, trainee service desk analyst. So 2 years completed, then you are in the some position like you are no longer trainee, you're full-fledged L2 level support. If you want to go to any organization, your useful resources. Okay, lot of people even people will ask, sir, why we should work 2 years? So much long. I'm working in same organization for 4 years. Earlier, I worked for 1 year, 1.5 year only. But this organization is 4 years. Okay, I know from 5 years, but 4 years are successfully completed. We crossed 4 years also. Okay, but I know organization more than 5 years. I worked before continuous work for 17 onwards. I know 70s. Okay, but point is, in some people worked more than 10 years. People also working in a same organization. My point is not that one, guys. My point is, if you don't want to work for a long time, why company is required to hire you first? So they will, if in case you join, after 6 months they fired you, what happened? So you will feel bad now. Same way, you work for an organization, you join as an organization, they give an opportunity to work, and you work for a 6 months, then you said, why, who will work for a more than 6 months? I will go bye bye. Your experiences become invalid because first 6 months anyone is in a probationary period only. Get settled down. So 2 years, 3 years you work. 1 hour you are going out from your organization also, other organization will respect you. Okay? Respect. So you are a constant fellow. You want to change for your career, not you are a jumping person. You are jumping from here to there, here, there to here. 2 years jumping, 3 years jumping. You are not doing that one. So you're constructive person. So you must work at least 2 years. You're acquired senior. You're no longer fresher after 2 years. Okay. If you work for 6 months and jump, you are a fresher again. Okay. So you are no longer fresher after 2 years experience. So minimum 2 years and jump. Fields I cannot give you a guarantee, but you learn that particular technologies. So the technology related, you can definitely shift. For example, you join as a network supporter. Initially your supporting is network related, but later you can jump to the cloud, and then you can jump to the DevOps also. Okay, DevOps is administration. Actually, DevOps is a administration and touch with the software. You want to become a software engineer, of course, this experience means IT experience, not software experience. You have an experience of 2 years in the IT experience is there. Fresher to the software field. For example, you learn Java and you done all certifications in Java, but you are not worked in a Java field, but you have a 2 years of IT experience. You have a knowledge in Java also. Then you can try for a Java also. Java, because you're already having touch with IT field and you have a knowledge in Java, then maybe you will get a Java developer, Java based projects. You may get it because I already told guys, this is an entrance ticket type. Get inside and remaining is in your hand and your fate. Okay. So why I'm trusting that one guys, even myself, I didn't that is you can talk to madam on roll. I think 6 months is from you will shift to payroll to on roll. I just you have to confirm with madam. Okay, madam or sir, who is your contact. Why I'm telling this pinning on this point, guys? Do not lose any opportunity go inside IT company because I am not went there like that IT companies as an initial stage. So I've tried, but and I will step down. I didn't wait to get a good opportunity. I stepped down and I went as a trainer. Okay, IT trainer here. So what happened? So I'm not able to enter into this. Even you have a knowledge, IT sector is like that. How many years of IT experience? Not a as a different outsider kind. If you are not having IT experience, you're outsider. Okay, not what project, what technology. That is does not matter. That is secondary. Okay, as a fresher, you went to IT or not? Yeah, so enough of stories. We are already done with the timing. Only these definition, guys. Event, any detectable occurrence, either it is successful event, there is a event monitoring system or event management system is there. So in your infrastructure, like you have a servers, storage devices, applications, network, all these things are there. Any issues occur, any successful event like your backup is successful or your data is transferred, that is successful, or maybe service is online, internet is online, or maybe your hard disk is full. Okay, link I will share it now. Or your disk is full. Now my disk is clear automatically after restart. Okay, so maybe because of this some update kind of stuff, Alan. So see it is, can you see the blue bar? It is your disk is only 24 GB free out of 218 GB. If I cross little bit, means if I put another 3-4 GB data, then it is shows red color, red color. Okay, so once we have done, then I have to download these recorded videos. Okay, are we in recording? Yes. Okay, so then it is showing red color. So meaning is your disk is about to full. That is also an event. Any small changes in your infrastructure, up, down, or a server down, service down, disk is up, disk is down, like this are events only. Whenever these events are occur, immediately there is a alerting system or an alarm system will send a warning to the service desk or people who are working on that particular things. So they will receive a alerting system, or monitoring people will get an alerting system, or service desk people will get alerting system who are working on it. Like any hard disk is about to full, a warning, or any some changes is occur, any failure is occur, immediately alerting system is there. Okay. Next one is incident. Incident means unplanned interruption to the IT services called incident. Server down, service is down, okay, or a network is disconnected, application is not working, system is not working. Okay, that is all incidents only. Okay, unplanned interruption to the IT services. So internet not working, service is not working, website is not working. These are all incidents. Workaround. So any incident is occur, immediately you have to respond to solve the problems, immediately resolve the issues. That is called a workaround. So temporary overcome to overcome the issues. Problem means a multiple incidents or unknown root cause of one or more incidents, or a multiple incidents or repetition of incidents are occur. So that is problem. So unknown root cause of one or more incidents. Change. Any standard change to resolve the issues, upgrades, replacements, casual changes comes under change management. For example, you have a server is now down, incident is occur. You have to replace the RAM, that is change. Or maybe you want to change the service. For example, I am getting 50 Mbps internet. I want to increase my internet speed to 100 Mbps. Change. I want to upgrade my operating system from Windows 10 to Windows 11. I want to update my Windows 10. I want to update my antivirus. I want to replace my hard disk with a new hard disk. Or my hard disk is failure, so I want to replace my hard disk with new one. That is also comes under change management. Service request. I'm a user. I want a service request. I'm doing like I need some information about a service. I want to change my service from 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps. So ask a service, I will send a service request, right? I want to increase my bandwidth. So what are the requirements? What is the cost? Okay, advice or information. Changes. I am requesting like I want to change my password. I want to change my router. I want to change the service method. Okay, so number of services. I want to access my printer. I want to access the VPN access. These are all comes under service requests. Tomorrow, one by one, I will explain, guys. One by one, I will explain, and also I will explain about monitoring and a few more things. So tomorrow also service desk day. So day after tomorrow, I'm going to start with a hardware or a networking. Either one of the subject I will start. Mostly networking related I will start. Okay, networking basics day after tomorrow. Tomorrow also mostly the service desk related only. Okay. So that's
Okay,
it for today.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Compulsory read the
Thank you, sir.
things.